moms, dads, and winner kids. Welcome to the Winner Moms Podcast!
Hi, moms, dads, and winner kids. Welcome to Winner Kids! It's our community's indoor playground that is small and safe, perfect for kids like me, ages 1 to 9. We have a slide! Whee! A ball pit? Whee! Ball pit! Rides where we can drive like adults, inflatable jump area. We have a reading nook, a crafts area, and many more. Did you know that our staff cleans everything every day? They're really nice too. Also, only a limited number of kids are allowed per hour. So we all have a room to play, move, and be silly. It's the perfect place for play dates, fun days, and even birthday parties. So come play with us here in Pasig City.
Okay.
Hindi sila marinig.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Hindi sila manggugulo.
Okay, welcome to Winner Moms Podcast. Again, we have the Winner Moms Podcast. Again, we have the Winner Moms Podcast. Ang hirap naman.
Hindi.
Pad Thai. With the goal na makapagkwentuhan about
Yes.
motherhood and also makapag-impart ng what we know, our yung mga hindi rin maganda experiences so that other moms can also learn somehow with us.
Yes, that's right. So before we start again, this is our third episode. My name is Rachel. And
My name is Cess.
yes, we are the Winner Moms, the founder of Winner Kids Playground and Events Party Pen.
Yep, nandito kami sa Pasig.
Yes, dumaan kayo sa amin.
Or mag-message kayo pag kitty party.
Yes. Okay.
Plug agad.
Plug
Sa
agad.
atin.
Kasi baka malimutan nyo, baka hindi nyo panoorin hanggang dulo eh.
Uy, hindi nanonood sila eh.
Ay, okay, thank you. Uy, thank you guys.
And, okay, sige, go. Alam ko na yung milestone of the week.
Okay, sige, go.
Ikaw muna.
Sige, so every episode we talk about our milestones before we share with you yung ating main topic. And
Parallel siya sa milestone of babies, of kids,
yes,
of
yes.
infants na minomonitor natin during motherhood. Pregnancy pa
Correct.
lang eh. So,
Oo.
parang sa atin, tayong mga moms, meron din tayo.
Milestones. Sige, I think I'll share mine first.
Yes. So, nagugulat ako, ang daming energy nila. Pero, sana naman,
Sa next episode na yung milestone na yun.
yeah, parang,
Magano mo naman. I'll share with you my milestone of the
Okay.
week, but I'll share with you my lesson for the week.
okay,
So,
okay.
sa first episode natin, napag-usapan natin yung milestone ko, which I started having my prenatal massage.
Mhm.
But, mommies, dahil nga, I think, somehow, as a pregnant mom, you're also vulnerable when it comes to decision making. I had the bad encounter with that therapy. So, share ko na lang din para matutunan kayo. Baka
Linear
may
din sa
matutunan.
kwento
Linear
natin
din sa kwento natin from that. And, yeah, just the other day, nanakawan ako ng money. And imagine having to feel like, kasi mas frustrate dahil nga hinawakan ganyan kumbaga you're vulnerable towards that person. And when she started, I didn't parang benefit of the doubt yun. I wanted, kasi nawala na yung alahas ko, and I didn't want to blame her, blame anyone. And as a person, you want to see the good in others, diba? And as a mom. And then just, it confirmed the situation when the other day when I came back from my milestone of the week, ay nagpamatay ako. And then, yesterday, kasi hindi mo naman tinitingnan eh, the bag was right beside my bed. It was closed. Not knowing na, you can't do anything. I had to pee. And nanay mo this. Hindi ko naman eh. When you have to pee, yan. But again, benefit of the doubt. And she's in the service business. Mo na baka okay. And then, another instance during that time was nagpupong si Becca and I had to wash her. Dami nangyayari, dami iniisip. And, nagkataon kasi, dalawa lang kami ni Becca noon. nung time na yun. Then yesterday, I found in my purse, emptied out.
Oh my gosh.
So, pati na nga din yung Starbucks card ko eh. Sabi ko, okay lang saan ako nakawan, basta kalahatiin mo na lang.
Wala nga, pwede mo na-take yung Starbucks card. kung saan ginamit. Sa app.
Kakita ba natin? Para akong ano ito. Sa your cards. My cards in fairness, naka-separate yun. Separate ang cash, separate ang cards. Kasi I know how it's difficult. And separate yung mine. And then, dininay pa niya yesterday. And then, dininay niya, pero sinabi niya, parang hindi daw ako magalit, hindi ko siya pag-suspect siya hat. Dito transfer daw. Ipapadala niya sa akin, babalik niya. So, like, that's
So, did
it
she
for me.
know how much?
No, actually, ako din, parang between, I'll disclose it, 4,000 to 5,000 yung nasa water.
Binalik niya. That amount.
Unfriend na ako, and then, unfriended na tayo, girl, and feeling ko, binalock na rin niya yung phone ko. But just the same, guys, kasi, kaya she won my heart naman at that time, which, again, this is a lesson for all the moms. Kasi she was telling me about Bible verses and about life changes. And it's so hard to say. It's so hard not to think that she's gonna do anything bad. Kasi, so hard not to think. It's so hard to think bad of it. Kasi choose God. So imagine, nakaka-appreciate, diba? She used God.
Parang ayoko mag-comment.
Parang, diba? Yun, so na parang, kasi ikaw parang, syempre, thinking na, it's an enlightened path, hindi mo dapat sana pag na masama. But the lesson that I learned from here, everyone, is that pwede ka maging mabait, pero wag kang magtiwala agad. So,
Tama.
di ba?
Oo. Yes.
Oo. And plus, siguro, gawin mo na ding mas mahal yung pagiging mabait mo. Hindi lahat ng tao
It's not. It can be spread, but not easily accessible or taken advantage of.
Taking advantage of. Well, it's a good learning. It's a good learning, yes. And at least, that's the only thing that she got. Tapos, confirm na out na. Hindi, syempre, ikaw naman. And to all people who intend to steal, if nanonood kayo sa podcast namin.
Antay na sinawakan
Nanawagan ako sa'yo. Sayang yung opportunity na ginawa mo. Sayang yung opportunity sa mga tao. You think yun lang din ang naisip mong gawin.
Oo.
Imagine, ni-refer ko buong family ko sa kanya. And ni-refer ko siya.
Nandun ako sa cash na kapamasahe ka.
Exactly.
At pati mga kids
So,
lang.
parang kinat mo na lang yung pwedeng long-term opportunity for you. So, if ever man naghihirap ka kayo sa mundo, please, wag yung gawin yun.
I think it's a better, mas maganda nandun ka sa position na hindi ka magnanakaw. Kesa temporarily.
December pa naman din, di ba? Noche Buena. But again, parang embrace the challenge in your life. Hindi pwedeng kung ano lang yung madali. Hindi pwedeng kung ano lang yung pwede mong take advantage. Yun ang gagawin.
Relation to that, naisip ko, alam mo kanina or mga kahapon, realization ko, people might think na, right now, I'm okay. But people might think that I'm privileged now, but forgot how we got. Parang ganyan. Dumaan din tayo sa
paghihirap.
Kaya nandito ngayon na pero never
even now, we're not on the best way. We're not yet there. Not in the sense
in the expense of others.
Oo, exactly. Oo. And sakto, Sunday kami nagsushoot. Nagsushoot sa kanila. Pero, ayun, you're forgiven by me kasi si God na bahala sa'yo. Pero, si God na bahala sa'yo. But the lesson for me is, I'll try to forgive myself and not be hard on myself. Kasi nga, masakit eh.
Oo, parang you felt betrayed.
I did.
I'm sorry for this.
Until now, yeah. Doon na tayo sa milestone of Okay, kalimutan na natin yung medyo napag-usapan na natin na matagal. Okay, before I share mine, ikaw naman, para good news. Parang gusto ko relate lang sa'yo. Sige, yun naman yung milestone natin. Ayun ang muna, huwag na kami
Ayun na yung milestone natin. Ako naman, so last week you mentioned na kumusta, okay, nagkalagas-lagas lang this week.
Okay.
Di ba dinaan na lang sa tawa? Kahit po stress.
Kaya ang tagal ko mag-reply sa'yo. Medyo ganun. Wala naman silang ginawa mong masama. It's just that nagkasabay-sabay lang. Tapos syempre December. Inisip mo na, okay, laban tayo, laban. Kaso, yung isa nagkapulong tong driver. Okay, isang driver, nagpakasal. And then sabi niya, babalik siya the next day. Na-extend ang honeymoon. Hirap ka ba?
Oo, syempre.
So, kami ngayon ni Ma'am Rhea, ang naghahatid ng home service.
Skeletal
Si
force.
Rhea yung
Lead team kayong
nagko-collect ng mga towel na use or deliver lang.
Oo, at least may Rhea pa. Hi,
Oo,
Rhea.
ito na lang si Ma'am Rhea.
Oo.
Tapos yung driver sala namin, umalis din. Kasi may something daw sa pamilya nila. So,
Okay.
one day, umalis na lang siya. Hindi na siya
There's something in the sequel, no?
Oo.
Di ba?
Yes. And then one yaya, actually, nag-part-time na lang kami.
Hi, tita.
Oo. So, I was left with no household help. Tapos,
With the energy of grief. Parang,
may daughter.
not just a daughter, it's many of her.
Oo.
Yes, a lot.
Ang isang brie,
Is katumbas na
isang sasakyan mo.
ng mga bata. Okay.
So, medyo, pero alam mo, yun, happy ako. I still treat this as a milestone kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Parang, hindi bumaba naman yung sales. Tapos, survive naman, wala namang reklamo plan.
Yeah.
Wala namang ano. So, yun, medyo bumabalik na sila ulit sa amin. Dalawa meron pa. So, ibig sabihin, happy pa rin ako kasi they are living with intention.
Oo. So, kung wala nang balak na, did not do any bad.
Oo. Pero medyo namindang lang ako
Oo.
this week. Kasi,
Stress lang.
medyo, pag nakakamada ka ka. Kasi nga, di ba,
Oo.
planner, sponty.
Yeah.
Ako siya sponty. Pag mga ganyan.
Ay, yung son, hindi na siya shock. Kapag may mga ganun.
Oo, medyo pag nakaplano ka na, ito. May parang, may moment ka pa na, wait. Pero in fairness, natuto ako mag-pat. Dahil dyan.
Eh, tsaka, as a planner din, parang eventually, napapaisip ka na parang there are things na parang you step back and then you realize na, okay, let's reassess, let's,
Oh, that's also, so parang yun ang milestone ko siya kasi kinaya. Kahit na yung akala kong systems in place na, ay medyo, hindi na shatter, medyo bawasan yung skeletal system namin.
And as you grow older, you gain wisdom in those experiences.
Hindi ako. As a businesswoman. Dati, nakumiyak. Pero dati, tumatamlay ako kapag may umayos. Basta, yung ganyan.
Dapat ganito pero hindi ganito nangyari.
Yun affect my day.
Yeah.
Ngayon, mas kinakaya ko na lang na how to handle it. So that's my milestone na kinaya.
Mommy, sa
Pero kung i-alis, mga stuff ko na hindi kayo dyan.
Mahal namin kayo.
Pero yes,
Kailangan 13 months.
yeah, okay guys, magsabi na kayo. Magsabi na kayo, honesty is the best policy.
Pero yun,
So, milestone and lesson of the week.
lessons tayo. Na yun, isa pa, in relation to that, you always think that, okay, despite this happening,
There's still something good.
it's still okay.
Yeah.
So, parang there's still something na happening. Kaya medyo kalma ako eh. Maybe before, medyo, gano'n lang ako.
Like me yesterday, sabi ko, kinausap ko si Rosh, Dada, but how do I want to get out of this? Tapos parang syempre, try not to be depressed. You have a baby on the way. You're trying to manage your stress. So, tapos yun, ganun, punta ko sa
O,
Taytay.
diba? Therapy.
Kaso isip ko lang, Lord, hindi, mababalik na. Be careful, guys.
Sa mga nakakapanood po, hindi ko pwede.
Hindi ba pwede yan? Raya, kiss ko lang, may love. Ayan. Ayan na. Okay, so yung mga ano po kasi namin extra lang sa likod.
Congrats ni Rachel.
Hi, Ate Cal, hi, Kuya. Oo.
Ayun.
Okay,
Okay, congrats to us pa rin.
congrats. And to the moms out there who we learned from our experiences this week. Yeah.
Na-unfair, nangangarapin sila. So, sama-sama tayo.
Yes. So, our topic of topic. So, our
Ang topic natin ay getting to know your main.
Posh Nails is open now in Mercedes Ave, Pasig City.
Dito sa Bilitin Suamin na Boss New.
Trusted by us, Posh Nails is now in Pasig City.
So don't forget to follow at poshnails.pasig on social media.
Ito ulit. Ang topic natin.
Ay.
Hindi natin ikalat yun eh.
Oo, sige,
Ang topic natin of the week ay getting to know us.
Getting to know
your winner moms.
Yes, we're on our third episode. Parang hindi pa ata naririnig yung story. Yung stories namin and yung story namin together. And now we'll share it with you.
Yeah. Purpose ito is that as we are syempre mag-share tayo ng journey natin, journeys natin along the way.
Yeah.
Ito. So, may basis tayo.
Oo. Meron tayong benchmark ng ating life.
Ito yung ito kami.
Yeah.
Yung ganyan. Okay, meron kaming some questions.
Okay. Who we are.
We are.
Who are we nga ba?
Okay. Can you introduce
Who am
yourself?
I? Who am I?
The way you want to be known today.
Oh, shucks. Okay. So, my name is Rachel Marie Rustia Olarde. Yes. For married moms out there, hindi ko pa po binabago ang aking married name. May choice pa kayo. I mean, may choice. Ako, the reason is my choice. And the reason is also because I was known as Rachel Rustia. And parang it's so hard to change the identity. Also, having to have a brother who was also in the LGU. In the local LGU of Pasig. So, Kiko Rustia na yun, in case you don't know.
Hindi nakakala sa
Ano akala sa akin? Yeah! Ay, sorry kuya, mahal kita pero hindi. Anyway, so, yeah, how do I want to be introduced is someone who is still a work in progress. I always say this when I have, talks. Kasi marami nagtatanong lagi, can you talk for us, blah, blah, blah. I always think kasi I'm not an expert of a lot of things. I'm just an explorer. Yun. So, parang, di ba? Parang, there's still a lot of changes to happen in your life. Especially in your 30s. Parang ang dami pwedeng mangyari ba? And, I'm transitioning from a single person who feels that she's accomplished a lot of things to a new mother, and a new mother of Rebecca, and an incoming, no? Basta yun.
Nasa person na siya ngayon.
Person na siya.
Palabas
A new mother of two. Yun. So, the identity and the personality changes lang. So, yeah, if I'm introducing myself, my name is Rachel. I'm Rachel, who is always a work in progress. Oh, yeah. You there?
Hindi ko susundan yun.
I'll go says, how do you want to be introduced?
Hi, somebody. I want to be known. Parang, anyway, somebody who overcame many struggles and is now more in a stable position.
Okay,
And somebody with intentions.
May mangyayari next year. Malalaman niyo. Secret kami.
With you, I want to be known for my heart na Kasi, maldita kasi tingin ng tao sa akin.
Pero maganda yun maganda yung tingin na nakakatakot ka. Para medyo iwas yung mga tao.
Hindi natingin sa akin. Yun. So, I want to be known as somebody na, yes, I may not, siguro, lumaki ako from broken family, struggle ako.
Yeah.
Pasaway na din teenager ako. But somebody who woke up and now, okay na siya. Yung ganyan. And, yun na nga, maldita tingin sa akin ng tao.
Everyone's information. Sa totoo lang, sa sense mo ba, ako yung mataray. Habang nagpapataray lang kami, may mga we balance each other out. May mga panahon kasi na ako yung magmamahigpit, tapos si Seth yung
Balance yan lang.
Oo, balance yan.
Pero yun, I also want, hindi naman parang yung buhati ko, siya ako, tama ba yun? Sa lalibang ko. Pero yung ganyan. Pero yung, I want to be known for what? For my past.
Perfect yung plano natin.
Ayan. Okay, number 2. Gusto ko lang din to kahit na
Sige.
What rules do you juggle right now as a mom, wife, entrepreneur, and a woman, and a driver? And
what rules ba? Nako,
political.
we are a multi-hatted people. So what rules do we juggle? Ako, ano nga ba?
Hindi ko kaya energy mo.
Basta marami. Oo, negosyo, ano ba?
USA baby.
Baby ba? Ito siguro like one highlight that I want to share with everyone. Kasi parang ayoko na, like I don't want to be identified as a political person, but instead as someone who was elected to serve.
Yeah.
It sounds cliche. Pero kasi minsan ang hirap kasi.
Bahiran kasi.
Oo, ang hirap mapahirap. Kasi ang hirap na parang tumatid ka lang. Ang hirap na sa ilang taon mo na public servant or let's say politician ka. Kasi iba yung politician, iba yung public servant. Pero minsan kasi, imbis na nakakapag-ibaw ka na maayos.
Oh my gosh, lalo na lang kayong defensive pag may ginawa ka ayos.
Kaya sometimes,
pangit na
kaya rin, nababansagan akong mataray kasi I'm always just work. So I hope you guys understand. I have a tendency to just be really focused on what I can
output
give. Oo.
And with your output naman na meron naman talagang goal doon.
Yeah.
I mean, may passion behind that. May reason to solve.
Yeah.
Problem to solve.
Oo. And I'm sure a lot of elected officials would also feel na in our life, we are always 50-50.
Yeah.
You're 50% for the people, you're 50% for your family. So, siguro those are the roles we're juggling. 50% in the public eye as a public servant, and 50% as a mother trying to raise her family. Oh, di ba? Ang bilis, dalawa lang.
Oo ba? Hindi lang dalawa yun. Ang daming lista.
Dalawang facade. The 50% public, the 50% private.
Pero yung mas daming bullet points.
Pero, yeah, let's embrace what God gave. So, para lang pala tayo dun sa kung ano yung bibigay mo, Lord, yun yung gagawin. Okay. How about
Me, I'm, yung tanong?
O, nagtatabi.
Medyo na-juggle yung roles. Okay. So, ako, ni-juggle ko na roles ngayon. Family and building
The empire.
yung businesses. And I want to add, because I focused on that, there are also things I'm delaying that I want to do, that I have to park muna. Like,
Before having our kid.
gusto ko syempre pumalit sa work ko before.
And you were telling me about this before. We were in like public.
Hindi ko na nagagawa ngayon. Kahit also ba?
Yeah.
Parang kahit may mahalang umali. Kahit pwede lang akong uuwi. Pero parang, what if ano nangyayari sa time na kayo pagkakadatanan ko, yung ganyan. Tapos, syempre, binigyan ko rin yung income streams na ganyan. Para, pag nandun na, wala nang tanong-tanong. This is Talaga.
This is all my assets and my businesses.
Oo, yung ganyan. Ibig sabihin, parang, so, like, yung tingin ko lang din, nakadalawa lang din ako. Dalawa lang din ako, business and family lang din. And then, naka-part lang yung iba kong
Goals in life.
goals. But not, hindi necessary. Babalikan lang someday.
Yeah.
Kasi siguro, I'm sure so many moms can relate
Mm.
na yung madami lang para sa sarili nila. Sometimes yan na, alam mo, may dumaan lang sa mga moment na, hindi naman ako to.
Dapat pag lumabas sa ganun ako ngayon.
Napapakinggan kita. Napapakinggan kita. Kaya,
Because it's not just mentally, physically there are changes, emotionally there. We have a lot of
isipin mo, sabay ko doon. Ito na sila. Or mas bata siya sa akin. Mas junior ko siya noon. Ito na siya ngayon. Mga ganyan. But then, so naka-park yun. Papalikan natin yun. Someday down the road. Pero, kasi ngayon, we are building people.
Yeah. We are raising
People. Building their heart. Yung ganyan.
sana makita ang bagay sabi nila.
Ay, panoorin nito.
Na, mga anak.
Well, gusto ko pa rin mag-aral. Na, in fact, meron akong law school application. Nakapasa na. Ang not as pregnant. So, and then my OB.
Pwede mo balikan yun?
Siguro.
Yung acceptance. Kasi
Hindi ko alam. I might need to take exam ulit. Yung ganyan.
Oh, yeah.
Pero,
And I told you,
sinabi ng OB ko yun. Totoo naman.
the mental load.
Yeah. So, nag-email talaga. Tapos, nag-apply naman sila. Sobrang nice. Important. Nahiya pa ako sa mga resource person na pinag-firma ko pa ng documentation. Sabi pa nila na, no to pray. Let's go. Ganyan.
See, and then, so imagine, parang, since you mentioned that, sometimes you feel like you've given up something, but yet in other people's lives, they say that it's also, it's more important. So parang, it's a kind of like, shifting of perspective na what's important in life.
In the same way, babalik na din ako dun sa isang struggle. Hindi ko rin naman talaga magagawa yung, for example, mag-law school. Before baby, kasi hindi pa ayos
Right.
yung life ko. Nag-aaral trying to work. Now, naabutan tayo ng may baby na tayo. Ready ka na, sana. Pero okay lang. Kasi,
Parang reset talaga ng life. Ano yung next? But then there's still time. Hopefully we'll be given time for,
yeah. Not? Or the case.
yeah.
Parang, hindi pa nga sinabi ko sa'yo na hindi lahat kakaroon ng kataon mo. I'm in my work.
Yeah.
And my baby's there. Parang ganyan. And I'm so thankful for that. I know it's, parang it comes, it sounds so, masyadong privilege. Pero actually, you work hard for that. Hindi ka nagkanak ng
Yeah.
Kung ka talaga. Okay lang. Ang daming hawa.
And good job to you, mothers.
Okay.
Ilang bagyo na yung dumaan, ilang bahana yung naranasan natin, at ilang lindol ang sumubok sa ating mga Pilipino. Kaya ito na yung tamang panahon para maghanda tayo. Mang Tanis Go Bag. Naglalaman po ang Mang Tanis Go Bag ng mga mahalagang gamit na kakailanganin ng isang individual o kaya naman isang pamilya. At yan ay para sa unang 3 araw pagkatapos ng isang sakuna. At madali rin po itong dalhin. At syempre, mayroong information booklet para po sa inyong dagdag kaalaman. Meron ding Mang Tanis First Aid Kit, may Mang Tanis Solo Go Bag, at Mang Tanis Family Go Bag. Maghanda tayo. Maghanda ng Mang Tanis Go Bag.
Number 2 na tayo.
Okay.
What inspired the creation of the podcast?
Okay.
Overtime
Hindi
na
na time po namin 8 minutes left kami. Pero mukhang will extend.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Kasi ano naman madaling part 1, part 2.
Sige, game.
Okay, so what inspired the creation of this podcast.
Okay, you go first. Kasi you're the mind.
I was the pitch.
Oo.
I did the pitch.
Ako lang yung go.
Bakit nga ba?
Oo nga.
Kasi may venue.
Yun na yun. Bakit nga?
Sorry. Tama ko.
Sige, ganito. We were looking for an outlet on how we want to share our lives in a way that's friendly, in a way that's relatable.
Yeah.
And Sasha says and I are experiencing the same thing. And we're both go-getters in terms of business.
Oo nang ako.
Yeah. So the business started first. So si Ses the one who founded the business.
What is one? Sinalo ko lang din.
Sinalo lang din niya.
It used to be 1 year. And then, pagkahan ako sa Facebook Marketplace. Ay, Facebook talaga. Facebook group.
Oo.
Facebook group. Tapos, nasa San Juan ako. I'm rarely drive sa San Juan na. Kasi parang wala na. Dahil pa ako sa dati. Tapos, kita ko sa Facebook. Yes, yan lang din ako mag-drive na. Ano na ako?
Nakita mo, on the spot, when you were searching for it, you found it.
Yes. And then, sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, I'll be there like 7 kasi para it's bright. Kasi jowa. Husband. Ay, joke. Makahabol after his work. Nangyari ko sobrang pati ko yung 8. Kasi nag-drive ko kami ng 6. May gamitin na ng 6. Sige, nandiyan na kami ng 5:30.
So yan, ganyan makikita kung paano ka, like, ano siya eh. Si Ses is like, if she knows what she wants, she'll get it.
Somehow. Oh my gosh, ang hirap ng bitawan na
So yun, that's how you built it, diba? And
Tapos,
then, yeah.
kinonstruct ko na rin ng konti para sumawa. And
10 months later, that's when I gained it.
ito, hindi ko kaya. So, kasi medyo backlit ladder lang ako. So, yung mga ganito podcast, kahit na-idea ko to, lalo na akong kapal ng mukha kapag mula sa
Kapal mo nga dahil.
Hindi ko, confident ka. Ako yung yung Leo na mga mga yung ganyan.
So, nasaktan.
Finish ko kay Rich. It started na sa unang lalo. I remember, nag-break tayo. I was planning na business. Sabi ko, you're better than me. I think mas kakayanin mo than me.
You're talaga?
Oo, parang nag-obvious mo yung mag-focus. Hindi ko pa alam about your life way. Hindi ko pa alam noon.
Yeah. Ako, would say, though, kasi parang ako din, nagulat ko to have a lot of sort of streams of income. Kasi yung fund niya in the public eye, baka parang biglang, people will...
Anything that you sell sa akin, napapabili ako. Ganito.
Sorry. Salamat sa pambili ng life boy.
Ng bag.
Kuya, nag-live lang ako. Kaya kumuha ko ng December. Sabi ko, hindi, kailangan ko ng pera para sa pamilya ko ng December. Magbebenta tayo.
Sabi ko, ganito, yung mga hindi ko kaya din yun.
So, yan. Ako yung ganyan yung shifting ng energy namin. So, yun. And ako, it was always for me, my belief is, if it feels good, it should be good. That was my presentation. Dun sa sales presentation ko, dun sa two events that I had to present. And I feel like that's our mantra. If magaan siya, pasok ka.
Yeah.
Siyempre, pag hindi masikip, pag pumasok ka, masikip. Nervous. Parental guidance. Okay. Vlog ko lang muna. Winner Kids Playground at Party Valley. We're here along A Sandoval Avenue. One Sandoval Square. One Sandoval Square. I think I like...
Okay, closing natin for part 1 of
Okay.
Getting to Know Us. What kind of mom you want your child to remember you as?
Iyok na ako.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I want to be the kind of mom that she'll open to you. I want to be the kind of mom who intuition or who, let's say, yung mga things that's hard to tell your daughter, you're able to communicate it with her and so openly accept it in a way that she thinks it will help her.
Ako, medyo artist sa peg. Hindi, may nakita ko name drop ko na lang, di ba? Si Karil, at saka si Sasha Padilla. Before pa ako maging mommy and all, nakita ko na parang group of story. So, malapit pa rin siya kay Sasha. Tapos, mama, yung parang ganyan. Parang tapos close pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Hindi ko naman sila kilala personally.
Yeah.
Sorry ako mga kapag, pero, someday, when my child is already an adult, I still want to relate. Parang ganyan.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa nagdala ng isa engaging childhood life na ayaw na siya
May parang bawang the communication. Ay, kasi nung start out, na this misunderstood.
Yeah,
Diba?
oo.
You want to be the mom to be open about. In fact, even the most sensitive topics, kind of
I also want to get a mom. I not like from her. As strong as I went to age niya. Kasi ang moms tayo, they have the tendency na hindi natin sasabihin sa mga bata kung ano yung pangit na pasaway sa panahon or what.
Or you probably don't want to dim the light that they are,
Oo.
igniting.
Oo. So ko open na kapag ko best friend niya kapag nakaya. Pero syempre, mommy pa rin ngayon. Like, may grounds, may rules, and all. May structure tayo. Pero, when you're older, gugustuhin nyo, adult na kayo, pero buhay ka pa rin kasama lagi.
Or you want to be, perfect term. You want to be the dream makers for our children. We want their dreams. We want to help their dreams be put into reality.
Of course.
Lahat ng pangarap nila, we'll explore that for them. Oh. And I think, magiging super powerful yung mga anak
Kahit namin ko ano yung mga pangalan.
20, 30 years from now, malala. Sino na sila. Pero sa ngayon, madudungit pa na
Malilikot. Talon ng talon.
Yes. Ayan, nandun sila. Huwag mo na
Insert
natin.
clip nung pag-aaway nila last week.
Yung na-stress ako.
Uy, ako sa inyo. Kiss pa si Rick.
Ang gulo niya kasi, di ba sabi ko, mas social kasi energy. Mas gulo sa'yo yan. Hindi, okay lang eh. Na-explain ko yun sa kanya noon na, she says that she won't understand when you're trying to say.
Pero tayo moms, overwhelmed din talaga.
Overwhelmed.
Anyway, so,
Okay.
abangan our part 2. We have some cards to get to know our mom.
Yes.
Invite mo na sila. Bye-bye!
Bye! See you next one!